We have already talked about ginger on the channel, and it is a common ingredient in our recipes. It is a fact that ginger is one of the most versatile spices in the world, isn't it? Rich in numerous nutrients, ginger has been used for thousands of years to cure the most different things, thanks to its therapeutic properties. Isn't it amazing? We made a video talking about the benefits of ginger for men. If you want to learn more, just click on the suggested video. But today, it is time for women to learn why consuming ginger is good for them. Ginger is a natural and healthy food that can be used in many ways and has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, and cardiotonic properties. It is also great for women's health because it helps warm cold feet, increases libido during menopause, prevents nausea during pregnancy, and many other things. See now 6 benefits of ginger for women. Natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Ginger is recommended for the natural treatment of painful and/or inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis, arthrosis, fibromyalgia, or chronic fatigue that affects women throughout their lives. Prevents nausea and vomiting. Highly recommended during the first trimester of pregnancy. Ginger doesn't cause any side effects to the fetus and mother. Helps with weight loss. Ginger is responsible for warming the body, which boosts metabolism and is very useful for those who want to lose some weight. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Prevents heart diseases and improves blood circulation. Many women suffer from poor circulation, having symptoms like varicose veins, tired legs, and swelling in the lower part of the body. Ginger is highly recommended in these situations. However, if you are taking any medications, talk to a doctor before eating this root as it may react with your treatment. Warms the body. Ginger has a high caloric potential, the same one that helps boost the metabolism. Used both internally and externally, it is good for people who are always cold and also during the colder months of the year, helping us keep warm. Increases libido. Did you know that ginger is a natural aphrodisiac? Ginger boosts libido during menopause, a phase that usually hampers the intimate life of women. It is recommended to make a ginger and cinnamon tea with some honey and take a spoonful of it daily. So, did you like learning these benefits of ginger for women? You can ingest ginger by grating the root on your food or as a powder, respecting the limit of 2 grams a day. Other options include dried ginger, infusions, hot teas, juices, or as an essential oil, a good choice for massaging cold feet, for example. If you are a woman, add ginger to your routine and then share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.